morning, family and friends. Today we will switch gears and talk about another summertime hazard, the pesky mosquito. Well, I am not a happy camper. I have lived here in Vegas for 28 years and I have never experienced a mosquito bite until 3 weeks ago. In 1996, I lived in a small town in Georgia. I vividly remember attending a picnic and everyone, except my husband and I, carried around a towel to swat away the mosquitoes. Needless to say, after that event, I was covered with multiple mosquito bites. Mosquitoes are members of the fly family, and they live in grass and bushes adjacent to where people live. Their preferred breeding site is stagnated water, such as clogged rain gutters, storm drains, pools, ponds, and any body of water that is not moving. Of interest, male mosquitoes do not bite. It is the female mosquito that inflicts pain on humans. Females require blood in their diet to reproduce. Female mosquitoes have a long, tubular mouthpart that has several fine needles which puncture your skin, allowing them to suck your blood. When they bite you, they inject saliva into your body while siphoning your blood. Their saliva is comprised of proteins that most people are allergic to. Your immune system springs into action, causing the telltale sign of a red bump and an annoying itch. Lastly, of interest, mosquitoes choose their human prey predicated on the scent of carbon dioxide and other chemicals in your sweat. When you perspire, your body releases various chemicals in varying amounts and combination, which differ from person to person. Unfortunately, some folks, like myself, have just the right amount and combination of chemicals to attract the female mosquito. Almost immediately after a female mosquito bites you, you might feel a stinging sensation when she pierces your skin. Within a few minutes, you may notice a round and puffy bump beginning to develop. Other signs of mosquito bites include a hard, itchy, reddish brown bump or multiple bumps appearing a day or so after the bites, small blisters instead of the hard bumps, dark spots that look like bruises, and the most annoying symptom is the itchiness. In most cases, mosquito bites are mild and go away within a matter of a few days. However, if you have a weakened immune system, you may have more severe symptoms, such as hives, a large patch of swelling and redness, or swollen lymph nodes. And children often get a stronger reaction than adults. Well, that's it for today. See you next week. We will look at treatment and prevention of mosquito bites.